How to enable Facebook dating on iPhone. Well, the Facebook dating suggests matches for you based on your preferences and information from your dating profile. Your dating preferences for potential matches can include height, age, and education. And this Facebook dating feature is available inside your Facebook account. In order to enable, what you want to do is, first of all, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on See More over here. You should find the option of dating. If you have that option, all you want to do is click on it, and it will land you on this interface. So for me, you can see it says Facebook dating is unavailable, and Facebook dating is being rolled out to Facebook iOS and Android users aged 18+ in selected markets. So if you want to enable, first of all, you need to wait for the Facebook application to enable this feature in your region. Once this feature is available to you, you can simply go ahead and make a new Facebook dating profile. You'll get to know more people and also will be able to chat with them. So that's it, and this is simply how you can enable Facebook dating in iPhone. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.